Have you checked your UPS tracking again and still no update? You're not alone. Today, I'll explain why UPS tracking sometimes stops updating, what it really means, and exactly how to fix it fast, step by step. Stick till the end, because I'll also share when you should stop worrying and when you should take action immediately. First, let's understand the basics. United Parcel Service, also known as UPS, uses a powerful tracking system based on barcode scanning, GPS-enabled vehicles, and centralized logistics software. Every time your package is scanned, at pickup, warehouses, trucks, or delivery hubs, the tracking status updates. No scan equals no update. And that's the key reason most tracking delays happen. Here are the most common reasons. High shipping volume. During holidays or big sale events, millions of packages move daily. Some scans get delayed. Weather delays, storms, snow, floods, or extreme weather can pause both transportation and scanning. Missed or delayed scans. Sometimes packages move but aren't scanned at every stop. System or network issues. Temporary UPS system glitches can delay tracking updates worldwide. Customs or international checks. For international shipments, customs inspections can pause updates for days. Let's fix it. Step 1. Recheck your tracking number. UPS tracking numbers are usually 18 characters. One wrong letter or number means no results. Always copy-paste instead of typing. Step 2. Check the official UPS tracking page. Look for these statuses. In transit. Packages moving, out for delivery. Arriving today, exception or pending. Temporary delay. In transit for several days is normal, especially for long-distance shipments. Step 3. Use alternate tracking apps. Third-party tracking apps can update faster, send instant notifications, and track multiple couriers in one place. They don't replace UPS, but they often show movement sooner. Step 4. Contact UPS customer support. If tracking hasn't updated for 48 to 72 hours, keep your tracking number ready, ask clearly about the last scan location, and use phone, chat, or the UPS app. Always stay polite. Support agents help faster when communication is clear. Step 5. Consider external factors. Delays may come from local delivery partners, customs authorities, or natural disasters or transport strikes. In these cases, updates resume automatically once cleared. Constantly refreshing tracking won't make the package move faster. Check updates 2 to 3 times a day, understand peak season delays, and remember, most delayed UPS packages are not lost. If your UPS tracking is not updating today, follow these steps calmly and you'll usually see progress within 24 to 72 hours. For more helpful guides on tracking issues, online systems, tech fixes, and real solutions, visit HUMANITYUAPD.com. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.